Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a horn. First of all, we need is a buzzer, press switch, battery snapper and some 1 meter wire. Let's get started with the process. First, let's take this wire, both positive and negative end, and let's connect the positive end of the wire with the battery snapper and the negative end of the wire to the battery snapper's negative end. We have connected these both ends, the negative end of the battery snapper and the wire, positive end of the battery snapper and the wire. Let's go move here. Now we have to take the positive end of the wire and take the positive end of the buzzer and we have to connect both to the switch. Now we have connected the both positive ends to the switch, and now let's take this negative end of the wire and connect it with the negative end of the buzzer. Now we have gave all the connections. This is perfect, and this is perfect. This negative end is perfect. And now we have to take this battery snapper and connect it to the battery. Finally, we are going to test it. It's working, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.